It's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel, guys. How are you all doing? I hope you're all having an amazing day and I hope that this video finds you well and in good health. Okay guys, we're going to get into this video. I'm going to be doing some Enailcouture. What am I going to do? I'm using Enailcouture acrylic. Let's not make it deep. Now, early on in my nail career, my nail journey, I bought some acrylic from Max. Now, this was even before I was a BA. It was called the Candy Boy collection, and honestly, it's like sugar. Now, I haven't seen this acrylic anywhere else. I don't have other acrylic like it. Not saying I haven't seen it. I don't have any other acrylic like it. And every time it gets to this time of the year, I start thinking, I need to get out the Candy Boy, and they are nearly finished. And unfortunately, they're not still available. But guys, this is content. This is just to show you some of the beautiful things that Max has at enailcouture.com. So I am going to be doing the Femi Beauty method. Shout out to Queen Femi Beauty. Yes, absolutely love it. If you haven't tried it, try it because it's easy, it's simple, and that's not me being patronizing. You can take your time. If, for instance, you were using polygel or, you know, acrygel or something, but I was using acrylic, so obviously I had to work a bit fast, but it wasn't too bad. There was no rhyme and reason. I just decided to, you know, use the 4 colors. So I used the orange, the green, the pink, and the purple. There is a blue and a yellow, but for what I wanted, those were the colors that I just felt would just go with this set. So that's all I did. So I did start with the little finger because this is my dominant hand and I was working with my non-dominant hand, hence why I just went straight for the Femi Beauty method. I did use some peel off base coat on them because, you know, we can't live like this for long. It's just a fantasy. And speaking of fantasy, the tips I used are the Fantasy Coffin. Absolutely love this. It just like, I don't know, I love it. I love it. If you like the coffin shape anyway, you know, you'll love this. Absolutely gorgeous. And as always, you have the real estate to put all the things you want to put on there. So I'm going to speed up this video, guys, because really and truly this stuff is self-explanatory. And apart from that, I just wanted to make it more a watch me work. The cover acrylic that I am using is Pink Bakery, and that's one of Max's new acrylics. Absolutely love it. It's so buttery, so smooth, and absolutely perfect for my nail bed, for my complexion. Literally, it's fantastic. So as I said, guys, I'm gonna let you just watch the application because I'll be doing it and then putting it on the phalanges as we go along, and then I'm gonna come back in when we're doing our top coat and bling.
You wanna do, sexy ladies, give it to me. We ain't here for you, hanging with my crew. What you gonna do, sexy ladies, work it, baby. All my girls but it's all about my girls tonight. Leave the boys alone, brush them off, to the curb for my girls. This way be coming through, hanging with my crew. What you wanna do? Sexy ladies, give it to me. Waiting here for you, hanging with my crew. What you gonna
Okay guys, so we should have literally done everything. The nails are on. I was using the slow setting monomer, and I always forget when I'm doing Femi Beauty method, I really do want the fast setting monomer, because I was holding down the nail, I was trying to pick up the little clip, they were just too long. I was like, ah. So I literally just, you know, I was holding it down for as long as I could, and I think by the time I got to the third nail, I changed over the acrylic, the monomer, and I was using the fast setting monomer because I couldn't do that anymore. It's just holding it and holding it and holding it. It doesn't even matter if the bead is dry. That can be the difference sometimes. And also, I had peel off base coat on my nail bed, so that wasn't also helping. So basically, yeah, we did all of that, and I'm going in with the Shiny Star Bright top coat. Now this is a no wipe top coat from Enailcouture. Max has a lot of them, Jupiter, Neptune, loads of them, Saturn, and they don't take away from the design. They actually add to the design, and guys, that's not even a joke. Now I say that because really and truly you would think that that top coat was part of the design, but really the top coat just added to, you know, what was going on. Obviously, I wouldn't say on every set. You definitely have to choose. Some of them have gold flakes in there. Some of them are just iridescent. Some have white spots. But this one, I just thought, oh yeah, it'd be perfect. So I did put some in the bottom of the nails as well. So it's giving very sugar, fizzy sweets, and ice lolly, ice pops, like what did Princess call it? Oh my gosh, she called it like I think like a glitter pop bomb or something like that. Absolutely gorgeous. So that's what we use literally for the top coat. And now the bling. So because of all the real estate I have, I just thought to myself, I can literally bling. Then I thought, I don't want to do all 5 nails because I knew the bling was going to be a little bit big. So I did the baby finger off camera, just used the purple stone, which I thought was perfect because it actually went with the purple used. That glitter as well, I forgot to say, is a glitter mix. I got it also from Enailcouture, and I mixed it with the purple Candy Boy color, and that just went perfectly for me with the set, because otherwise it just felt like it was just all sugar, so I wanted to have some glitter, as you do. So I thought that was perfect, so that's what I did. And the rhinestones I got that I used today, I think, other than the little ones which Envy sent to me, I got from the TikTok shop. And I tried to use colours again that I just thought was going to blend in. On the thumb, we did put one of the ice cube blings on there. Absolutely gorgeous. Love that bling. And another purple one. And just to basically, as I said, just go with the set. So it's giving very sweet, Envy's pose, very summer, very playful, you know, just absolutely gorgeous, real fantasy, super Enailcouture, and I absolutely love it. And I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys, because I absolutely had so much fun doing this set. I had sister on the phone, we were chatting away, and when I said I was finished, she was like, what? So again, shout out to Femi Beauty, because this method is absolutely amazing, especially when you're working on your dominant hand with your non-dominant hand. It's absolutely crazy, but with the Femi Beauty method, absolutely flawless. Love it. So anyway, guys, I thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, guys, my code is MamaDoesNailz. Save yourself 10% at enailcouture.com. I won't lie, Max already has a promo code going for 31%. Let's keep it real. And I love you guys, so I'm not going to lie to you. So that's till the end of May. But after that, if you are shopping at enailcouture.com, don't forget, guys, you can use my code, MamaDoesNailz. But for now, till the end of May, you can use May 31, and that is the promo code that will get you 31% off. Okay, I love you all. I'm going to try and see if I can get some outside shots, because like the inside, it's just not doing this any justice. So I think I need to go get some outside shots. Hopefully it'll be pretty and I can add it to the end of this video. Mwah. Mama Does Nails is out. I love you all, guys. Honestly, so hard to strike a pose with the long nails. There's literally not much you can do. You just literally be flexing your, no joke. So this is it. Here are the nails. Make sure you can see. I don't even know why I'm doing this, because this isn't the video. This is just the voiceover. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I'm out. I love you all. Please keep your bells on, so when I upload anything else, you can literally get notified, even when the bells are on. Sometimes you don't, but you know, we try. So yeah, that's it. I love you. Bye, everyone.
Looking over and it catch your eye, coming through and it looking fly. In the three-piece suit, he be acting cool, and I'm wondering if he gon' try. Cause I might take him home tonight, but it's all about my girls tonight. Leave the boys alone, brush them off to the curb for my girls. That's why be coming through, hanging with my crew. What you wanna do? Sexy ladies, give it to me. Here for you, hanging with my crew. What you gonna do? Sexy ladies, work it, baby. All my girls in the club, rip a fella, work it out. Do your thing, shake it up, pop it till you can't stop. Move right, groove tight, till any good tonight. Getting hot, doing shots, because of this party off. All my girls in the club, rip a fella, work it out. Do your thing, shake it up, pop it till you can't stop. Move right, groove tight, till any good tonight. Getting hot, doing shots, because of this party off. All my girls in the club, rip a fella, work it out. Do your thing, shake it up, pop it till you can't stop. Move right, groove tight, till any good tonight. Getting hot, doing shots, because of this party off. All my girls in the club, rip a fella, work it out. Do your thing, shake it up, pop it till you can't stop. Move right, groove tight, till any good tonight. Getting hot, doing shots, because of this party off. All my girls, yeah. Work it out, work it out. Show it off. I'ma show you how we gon' roll through. All my girls, work it out, work it out. Show it off. I'ma show you how we gon' roll through. All my girls in the club, rip a fella, work it out. Do your thing, shake it up, pop it till you can't stop. Move right, groove tight, till any good tonight. Getting hot, doing shots, because of this party off. All my girls in the club, rip a fella, work it out. Do your thing, shake it up, pop it till you can't stop. Move right, groove tight, till any good tonight. Getting hot, doing shots, because of this party off. Girls in the club, rip a fella, work it out. Do your thing, shake it up, pop it till you can't stop. Move right, groove tight, till any good tonight. Getting hot, doing shots, because of this party off. Looking over